So in this video, we're gonna show you how we pour a, this is gonna be for a garbage enclosure for trash cans area. But we have, we're pouring some water here on the surface. This will help us out for the drying and curing process. So we're using the hose from the truck of the cement. For our strategy, we're gonna go ahead and pour it. We're gonna start, it looks like from that end over there. And we're gonna just start working our way this way so we can, you know, have enough room and get it done good. As you can see here, this job is gonna have rebar at, you know, all over here. And then we have the forms set around this area and all around the perimeter. We're using the concrete curb as our forms here, so no forms are needed. We're just gonna pour up against the concrete. So there we go. We're gonna have the concrete start coming out right now. There it is. So we're gonna get this going. You can see right here, you know, we have 3 guys there. Concrete's coming out pretty quickly. So one guy, you know, he's gonna have a tool right here pulling the concrete. The other guy, he has his tools there ready. So they're gonna start leveling it up and make sure that, you know, everything is good to go. As you can tell right here, we're pouring it straight from the concrete truck. So we're not using a pump or anything like that because we have easy access. We can all pour it straight from the truck. We have this little form board where we're pulling the concrete. You know, we use that to kind of get the level where close to where we need it. We kind of scrape the concrete, you know, and we follow the level of the, we start from the forms and we just kind of follow that level. So we can get a really close proximity, so that way everything kind of follows our form levels that are set up. So there you have it. You see, you have one guy, he's moving the concrete around, making sure that we have enough, you know, in all the areas. The other guy over here, he's pulling the concrete, make sure we have it in the level. We have the other guy working over there, the concrete surface, you know, making sure everything's good. So everything is you know, going where it needs to be. And you see all the rebar right there. We are making sure to pull it up, you know. We pull it manually. That way the rebar is right in between the concrete. So that way we have all that set up. How quickly this is going. Right now we've only been here for not even, I would say maybe 20 minutes. And you know, we've already poured a good portion, about a third. And it's going pretty quickly. We're pouring this other part of the main part over here. Right here we set up these you know, temporary forms because we're gonna have a ramp. You know, the concrete's gonna ramp down, so that way it'll meet with the asphalt level. And since this is gonna be used for garbage containers, they're gonna be, you know, rolling in those heavy duty you know, metal concrete containers. So this will help make it easier for that. This gentleman right here with the white hat, that's David. He's our lead supervisor. He has been guiding the truck, you know, telling him to go forward or go back. He kind of keeps an eye on the concrete that's being poured and make sure that, you know, we're only getting in what we need to work the areas. So that's how we have that process. Have the two of them using this form board. We have some pins right here inside of the area. Those are just temporary, so we can get the level that we have established previously. So they're just got to get the levels, and they got to remove, just drag the concrete so we can get it all, the level matching what we need. The nice thing about that long form board is, we did it this way. Now we're doing it this way. So you can go ahead and adjust that and get it from one side, from the other side. You can get it multiple angles, to just kind of drag the concrete and making sure that we have the level where it needs to be in all directions. Right now, we kind of stopped pouring concrete because, we're just trying to see where we're at with what we have there. And then if we need more, then yeah, we're just gonna have them, give us more concrete there. But if not, because we only need a little area right here that's left. You look at this tool right here, we call it a hand float. So I have Naum over here. He's starting to float the edges so they can kind of get it ready for the finishing work. There it is. There's the hand float tool. We can use that to get some concrete, fill in some holes, fill in some gaps, move it around, smooth out the surface. This is going to be just kind of like a rough finish that we're going to get the concrete at. Now we're starting to pour in that ramp area. You can tell right here the curve, we cut it out, and so we have that opening. We're gonna have the concrete go from this level and then ramp down to meet with the asphalt. A nice, quick, easy way you can do this is just getting a form, long enough from one point to the end point, and we're just going, from this level up to the level up there. So that's kind of establish our ramp area. There it is. We got all the concrete that we needed. So that's pretty much all of the pour. Just to kind of give you an idea, it took us a total of 30 minutes to pour all of this concrete. And we pretty much got everything poured. Now we just got to spend the time to do all the finish work to it. Like you can see right here, they're, still pulling the concrete, getting all the levels and everything we need. So that's a nice quick way you can pull excess concrete, just with like that form. You can pull concrete, and then if you have a lot, you can always shovel it out and, put it somewhere else in low spots that you need it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Go ahead and hit subscribe and like and comment. We're going to be uploading more videos in the near future. Especially, we're going to put some videos of how to finish the concrete and the next steps. So you'll want to be, subscribed and keep an eye on those future videos. We're going to be uploading every week new content. May God bless you, and we'll see you soon.